YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another product review. And today's collaboration is with SOFIRN. This is their SE1 flashlight. Now this is a micro flashlight, like a keychain flashlight. This little baby is sweet. It got an all aluminum body, nice LED push button, control button as you see on the top. But look, we're gonna go ahead and get this baby unboxed and give it a good rundown, give it a good test. But yeah, y'all know I'm a gadget man. I love gadgets, so we're gonna go ahead and get this baby a shot, see what she about. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Now, off the real, you know we're gonna go ahead and bust it open, get it unboxed. As soon as you open, you got some instructions right here. Little quick tips. In the back of the product, we got, this is a wrist strap, USB-C for charging. We got a ball chain, little thingy. You want to wear it around your neck, hang it on something. Got the magnetic clip. Oh yeah, this baby's sweet. It also comes with a keychain. Yeah, boy. And a user manual. Then you flip it over, and we got the flashlight right here. Let's go and bust this baby out of here, see what she's talking about. Now, off the rip, y'all can see by the size of it, like she's small. Like, look how small it is in my hand. The little baby compact, she got some weight to her. She feel real good. I like this orange color. I like the feel on the aluminum body. Oh yeah, this is nice. See the USB-C charging port. You see the little holes on the side for the keychain. This thing is sweet. Yes, sir. I got this stuff out the way. Then we can really get this baby a good rundown. But you see the LED little indicator right here on the push button on the front of it. I like the design on it. The USB-C port. We got a little stick over the light. Let's get this out of there. Let's go and get that little stick up off of there. Get this baby a good test. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna be honest, I'd be amazed by how these small flashlights can put out so much light. Like even the ones that's on your cell phone, like that light that's on the back of a cell phone is small. So I was skeptical to see about this. So when SOFIRN hit me up and asked me would I do a review on it, I'm like, yes, sir. A little keychain, little pocket flashlight. Like you ain't gonna really feel it, ain't gonna really take up too much space in your pocket, not bulky or none of that. Boom, and she come with a little clip. Now this can act as like you can clip it onto your hat or something like that. And you can basically turn this in any rotation on the clip, but because it's magnetic, that's sweet. Yes, sir. And that clip also goes onto the wrist strap. You see them slots in the side? That's where you put the wrist strap through. But yeah, like I said, we got the USB-C. You come with a charging cord. That's the wrist strap. It ain't quite big enough to fit around your head. If you got a small enough head, you might can make it work, but I'm a big fella, so I'll be using it on the wrist if I need to. Got some elastic in it. She's stretchy. Then they got the ball chain. You can hang it up somewhere. But yeah, man, this little baby's sweet. I like this. Now, I love that it come with all these accessories. You don't have to buy no extra accessories. Even though I'm pretty sure you check out their website, they might got something that you can, like a head strap or something. But the little wrist strap is great. Like I said, it's stretchy. It got some elastic in it. Yeah, it's cool. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, flashlight is sweet. Now, it got a few different modes that it operates in. They got a high, medium, low, moonlight, and UV. The high mode is 300 lumens, and that's for 1 minute. Then it'll convert to 75 lumens, and it'll last 41 minutes. The medium is the 75 lumens, and that'll last 44 minutes. Low is 15 lumens, and that'll last 3 hours and 35 minutes. The moonlight is 2 lumens, and that'll last 10 hours and 24 minutes. And the UV light, and that'll last for 33 minutes. But yeah, man, this baby is sweet. There will be a link in the description if y'all want to check out their website. Swing through there, and they got a whole bunch of different flashlights. Some sweet stuff on that website. But yeah, this little baby is nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get this baby fully charged, and then we'll give it an outside review. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, I got that baby fully charged. We're going to go ahead and give it the outside test. Oh, yeah. That little baby sweet. All right, so I got this baby at work, right? Now we have to turn on these trucks. And sometimes you come over here, it be nice and dark back here. Oh yeah, light it up real good. Oh yeah. Oh, that baby's sweet. That's all coming from this little bitty light. So we're gonna give this baby another go. Oh yeah. Now that's on the brightest mode. That right there, that's the lowest mode. That's one step up from the lowest. That's one step up from that. And then that's the brightest. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Oh yeah, for a keychain flashlight, little pocket light. And she magnetic. Stick it right to anything. It's metal. That's crazy. Oh yeah. With the aluminum body, this baby sweet. It's sir. There will be a link in the description. Oh yeah. Y'all go ahead and give it a click and check them out. So yeah, what y'all just seen right there was me. I took the flashlight with me to work. After I got it fully charged, took it outside at work. I get to work at 3 a.m. It's pitch black dark out there every morning, but I gave that baby a good testing, as y'all seen, man. And I'm very pleased with the flashlight. I will be shopping SOFIRN. Like I said, there will be a link in the description. Y'all can check out their website. It'll be a link to this product. Y'all want to pick y'all one up, but like, yo, you're a gadget person like me, man. I feel like it's worth giving them a swing, man. But y'all go ahead, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.